We finally usher you into 2026 and we are here for the hustle again. So today we are side, that's today is 2nd of January 2026 and we are side. So that's what we've been doing for the day, and we are introducing something new today. So in life, as you are going on or as you are moving on in life, you advance yourself. So today, we are doing something different here. So as we used to do it, we label our circuits, and today we are doing a different thing here. So we used to label just a live conductor, but today we are going to label the neutral and the earth conductor as well. So the reason why we are doing this is that in most cases, when you are tracing a fault or you need to separate some kind of circuit, you'll be able to know the live easier, or you may be able to distinguish the different circuits, that's the different live conductors. But when it comes to neutral and earth or ground cable or conductor, it becomes difficult because most of the time you don't know which is which. But most of the time you'll be able to know the live conductors because some people label it. Myself, I label the live conductors, but today we are labeling that's the earth conductor and also the neutrals as well. So when anybody at all comes around to work, he'll be able to know that, let's say, kitchen air conditioner, he will know the earth on there and the neutral and also the live conductor as well. So it's a happy new year, and let's have a prosperous new year. This year, like I said, there's going to be a serious surge in electrical installation work. So if you are serious and if you connect right and if you are going to be open-minded, you're going to make a whole lot of money this year. Bye for now.